In the civil engineering industry, outsourcing has become a powerful strategy to meet rising demands, reduce overhead costs, and access global expertise. However, behind the obvious benefits lies a deeper and often overlooked question. What are the ethical responsibilities involved in outsourcing critical infrastructure design? Civil engineering is not merely about lines on paper. It involves public safety, long-term urban planning, environmental protection, and the lives of communities. When firms outsource such responsibilities, the ethical implications must be examined with care. One of the most fundamental ethical considerations is responsibility. The success or failure of a civil infrastructure project can impact thousands of people. Therefore, outsourcing must never be used as a shortcut at the expense of quality or safety. It is essential to ensure that outsourced teams uphold the same level of accountability and engineering standards as internal staff. Choosing a partner that embraces this mindset is not only a strategic decision but a moral one. AXA Engineers serves as a strong example of how outsourcing can be done right. With more than 15 years in the industry and a team of over 80 experienced engineers across multiple offices, AXA Engineers consistently delivers designs that meet rigorous codes and standards. The company has been recognized by Autodesk and international business publications for its professional excellence and commitment to high standards. Another critical concern is confidentiality. Civil engineering projects involve sensitive data, including site plans, utility layouts, simulations, and client-specific design methodologies. When this information is exposed or compromised, it can lead to significant risks and unintended consequences. Ethical outsourcing requires a secure and transparent collaboration environment, where intellectual property is fully protected and all parties operate with integrity. AXA Engineers has invested in secure platforms such as Autodesk Construction Cloud to manage project files, communications, and workflows. This ensures that clients' information is safeguarded and that all project activities are fully traceable and aligned with industry best practices. Ethics also extend to how labor is treated. The global labor market often incentivizes companies to chase the lowest cost without questioning the working conditions of outsourced teams. This approach may lower expenses in the short term, but raises serious ethical questions. Fair compensation, a safe working environment, and opportunities for career growth should be non-negotiable. Recognized as the #1 best workplace in Vietnam by Great Place to Work in 2025, AXA Engineers offers long-term career paths for local talent and fosters a culture of growth, inclusion, and professional development. These efforts support long-term engagement and reflect a responsible way to build and retain talent. Environmental responsibility is another area that must not be compromised. Projects designed through outsourcing must adhere to the same ecological principles as those handled locally. Poorly planned stormwater systems, grading errors, or flawed utility placement can have devastating environmental consequences. A responsible outsourcing partner must be equipped not only with technical tools, but also with a mindset centered on sustainability. AXA Engineers has integrated advanced technologies such as Civil 3D, storm and sanitary analysis, grading optimization, and InfraWorks into its design process. These tools allow for precise modeling of terrain, water flow, and site impact, supporting the creation of environmentally responsible solutions in even the most complex conditions. Ultimately, civil engineering outsourcing is not just about extending capacity, it is about extending trust. Ethical considerations cannot be reduced to a checklist. They must be built into every decision, from partner selection to project execution. By focusing on quality, data security, fair labor, and sustainability, outsourcing can become a force for good in the engineering world. Outsourcing should never mean cutting corners. When approached with responsibility and care, it becomes an opportunity to build not just infrastructure, but a more connected, ethical, and sustainable world. AXA Engineers demonstrates that with the right approach, outsourcing can uphold the highest ethical standards while delivering measurable value. Work with AXA Engineers to build firms in building reliable, sustainable, and future-ready infrastructure.